Our people say that if the food we eat does not have life in it, then it cannot give life to our body. I think it's the same for the things we put on our hair. If they don't have life in them, then they cannot give life to our hair. Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I am sharing with you a very rich, natural and healthy okra and aloe vera recipe that you can use to enrich your hair and foster healthy hair growth. Please continue watching. So we need just 2 ingredients for this recipe, and the first one is okra. And you would like to start by washing and chopping your okra into smaller pieces. Aside being a natural conditioner, okra is one of the best natural detanglers that is available to us. It is rich in vitamins A, C and K and other minerals which encourages healthy hair growth. Okra is a great moisturizer, and it also helps in defining our curls and coils. So after chopping your okra, pour some water into a pot about a cup and then bring that to a boil. When the water boils, turn off the heat and then put your okra in the pot. After adding the okra, make sure that it sits properly in the water. So you add enough water according to how much okra you are using, and the quantity of the okra you use will depend on how much hair you have on your head. So make sure that the okra sits in the water, then leave that and only come back to it when everything has cooled down. We are using hot water so that it can easily release the mucilage in okra that is necessary for detangling, and we are not cooking the okra so that we can preserve some of the vitamins that are present in okra, especially vitamin C. While it's cooling down, you can prepare your aloe vera gel. So wash your aloe vera leaves, remove the spikes, cut upon the leaves and then use a knife or a spoon to scoop out the gel. I did steep the aloe vera leaves in water for about 15 minutes after harvesting. I'm sure it's no news to you that aloe vera generally improves the health of our hair. It helps heal the scalp and hair, moisturizes and helps lock in moisture in the scalp and in the hair. So after scooping out the gel, you may want to slightly dice it or just dice it a little bit in order to facilitate blending. Now the okra has cooled down and the water is now jelly. The next thing is to blend it. So pour it into your blender, add your aloe vera gel, then go ahead and blend. Another way is for you to blend these 2 items separately. Now you can blend your okra separately, then blend the aloe vera separately and only combine the gels after sieving. In this way, you can use what you have left after sieving the okra and prepare okra soup. And guys, guess what? I only remembered that this is exactly what I wanted to do after pouring the aloe vera gel in the blender containing the okra. Anyways, I'll tell you what I did with it later. So after straining the gel with the strainer, I realized that my gel wasn't smooth, so I needed to strain it again using a piece of cloth, and that's exactly what I did. So you can use this product as a conditioner after washing your hair or as a pre-poo, that is before shampoo. If you choose to use it as a pre-poo, just spread some water on your hair, then generously apply the gel on your hair, on the length of your hair and on your scalp. Use your fingers to work that in and use your fingers to detangle. Sometimes our fingers are just enough tools to help detangle our hair. This way you'll be able to save your hair from breaking to a certain extent. Continue doing this until your entire hair is detangled, and working in section has always been the best. So after each section you can put that in a twist and move on to another section. Alright people, while I round up with the detangling, please tell me, Is it weird that I still use the remnant of the aloe vera and okra to make soup? So after straining out the gel, I tested the remnant to see if it was bitter because of the aloe vera, but I didn't get any bitter taste. So I went on to make my soup with it. I mean, my sister ate it, and it's only after she ate the food that I told her there was aloe vera in it. If I didn't tell her, how would she have known? Like, how would anyone eating the food know? How would they know? How would they know? My soup was actually delicious and there was no bitter taste to it. But do you still think that it's weird I did that? Would you do it? Would you try something like that? Anyways, just enjoy this relaxing music while I round up with the detangling of my hair before we move on to the next step, okay? Please do not forget that you can use this as a conditioner after washing your hair. These ingredients makes for a great natural conditioner. When you finish detangling your hair, you can cover it with a plastic bag and leave that for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Afterwards, go ahead and wash your hair and condition as you normally would. So this is how much hair I lost, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. Also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.